Dude, when people see the Van Lente, they're going to their pants because it's a big feeling tiny house. At the Tiny House Experts, we believe that building a tiny home is as much about precision and durability as it is about creating a cozy space that feels like home. Right now, our latest model, the Van Lente, sits here in our yard waiting for its final destination in the mountains near Durango, Colorado. Today, we're taking you through each stage of our meticulous build process from raw steel to the finished product. So come along as we show you what goes into creating a tiny home that's built to last. Every tiny home starts with a vision. We work closely with each client to bring that vision to life, designing everything from floor plans to the smallest details. Planning is crucial because in a tiny home, every inch counts. We take our time in this phase to ensure the design is functional, comfortable, and tailored to each client's lifestyle. Once the design is finalized, we move on to one of the most critical stages, steel framing. Our team builds a custom steel frame for each home, crafted to withstand the toughest conditions. Steel framing is not only stronger than traditional wood framing, but it's also more resistant to fire, pests, and the elements. This frame is the backbone of the home, designed to keep it secure for years to come. With the frame in place, we turn our attention to the essential systems, electrical wiring, and plumbing. In a tiny home, these systems have to fit into compact spaces while still meeting the same standards as any full-sized home. Our team ensures that each wire, outlet, and pipe is installed with care and precision, guaranteeing that everything is safe, functional, and up to code. Next, we focus on insulation and weatherproofing. To keep the interior comfortable year-round, we use high-quality closed-cell spray foam insulation, which seals every gap for superior energy efficiency. Weatherproofing ensures the home is ready for any climate, protecting it from rain, wind, snow, and other elements it may face in the mountains. And now the space really starts to come together. Our team moves into the interior, adding walls, floors, cabinetry, and all the finishes that make a house feel like a home. This is also where each client's custom touches come into play. From choosing kitchen layouts to selecting unique finishes, this phase is all about personalization. Every detail matters as we work to create a space that reflects each owner's style and needs. But before we hand over any tiny home, we conduct a rigorous quality assurance and final inspection. Every inch is checked for quality, from plumbing and electrical systems to structural stability. This inspection process ensures that the tiny home is safe, durable, and ready for its journey to the mountains. And that's our process. From the initial design to the final inspection, each step is carefully created to turn raw materials into a cozy, livable space that's built to last. The Van Lente model may be waiting here in the yard for now, but it's ready for its alpine home near Durango, Colorado, where it will be enjoyed for years to come. If you're interested in starting your own tiny home journey, subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. And if you're ready to begin building, reach out to us here at the Tiny House Experts. We're happy to talk to you.